Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share your Instagram post on your Snapchat story. So the first step you have to take is to launch your Snapchat this way. This is the interface of my Instagram, and also to download your Snapchat. These are the two apps that you need for this to work. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on the particular post you wish to share on your Snapchat story. Then tap on the three dots at the right corner of the post. Tap on see where to link and share and link. Tap on copy link. Then head over to your Snapchat. You can use your search option on the phone to look for your Snapchat. Tap on turn on only this time. Take a snap. Tap on the link option there. Paste the link you just copied. Tap on search option in order for Snapchat to look for the post you want to upload. Tap on attach to snap. Then now you can now send it to your story. Tap on send to my story. Just tap on the story there, it's going to send to your story. So guys, it has been added to my story. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.